case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1915, the United States Supreme Court heard the case of Coppage v. State, which centered on the freedom of employers and employees to make contracts without state interference. At the heart of the case was a railway company superintendent in Kansas who had been found guilty of violating a state law that prohibited coercing employees not to join or remain in a labor organization as a condition of employment. The issue arose when the superintendent presented an agreement to an employee who was a member of the Switchmen's Union of North America, stating that the employee must sign the agreement or risk losing their job. The Supreme Court of Kansas affirmed the judgment, stating that any act forcing an employer to keep an unwanted employee would be a violation of their constitutional rights. However, the case was brought to the United States Supreme Court on the grounds that the state law conflicted with the 14th Amendment, which protects individuals from being deprived of liberty or property without due process of law. The Supreme Court ultimately ruled that the right to make personal employment contracts was a fundamental right protected by the 14th Amendment, and that agreements not to join unions did not infringe on constitutional freedoms. The court upheld the right of employers to terminate employees without reason, and found that the Kansas Act, which punished employers for requiring employees to sign agreements not to join unions, violated the Due Process Clause and was therefore void. As a result, the judgment was reversed, and the case was sent back to the lower court for further proceedings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.